Ouch, what just happened there? Oh, that's right, I got nutted. Oh, that hurt. I know, maybe a drink should help. Oh, that helped. Maybe burping is the goal of making you feel better. Pardon me. Well, bye guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe.